Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing different ways on how to create a new folder on your Mac. First things first, you need to go to the location where you want to create your new folder. This could be on your desktop, or anywhere within Finder. Okay, the first method, highlight all of the files you want to be inside of that folder. Once you've highlighted them, right-click or access the context menu. Then click on New Folder with selection. You'll see the number of items in brackets. From here, you can rename the folder as you wish. And if we go inside, all your items are exactly where they should be. The second way to create a new folder is, again, by navigating to your desired location. Then, click on that circle icon with the 3 dots inside. In the drop-down menu that appears, select New Folder. And just like that, another new folder ready for you to rename. The third method is quite similar. Head to the location you want the folder to be. Once you're there, click on File in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Then, click on New Folder. And yes, you guessed it, you can rename it right away. And finally, the quickest way to create a new folder is by using keyboard shortcuts. The shortcut you'll want to use is Command plus Shift plus N, N, as in November. And you know the drill, rename the new folder you've just created. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Rome Tech tips and tricks.